Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 22 on Rocky Linux 9. Open terminal, verify any default Java comes with Rocky Linux. See, we don't have the Java. Click on activities, open any browser, then go to Google, then search for Java downloads. Click on Java downloads. See here, the latest Java JDK is Java 22. 21 and 17. Okay, so for Rocky Linux we have to select Java JDK 22, then select Linux. Then for Rocky Linux we have to download this RPM package. Right click on this one, copy link. I will keep this link in the video description. Now go to terminal, then duplicate, paste that link to download RPM package. Hit enter. See, its size is 186 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, RPM package has been downloaded successfully. Let us verify ls. See here we have the Java JDK RPM package. Let us install it. Sudo RPM -i, then give the JDK tab to autofill the RPM package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, we have successfully installed Java. Type java -version to verify the Java version. See, we have installed Java JDK 22. Now let us create sample Java program and compile it. Sudo vi args.java. I2 insert mode. Paste this one. I will keep this sample code in the video description. Save it. Now compile it. Java C args and give the tab. Now run the Java args. It is Java args. See, this is the output or the print command that we have given. Let us add one more print statement. Shift A System.out.println. Now add sum of two numbers. Put semicolon. Save the file. Escape. WQ exclamation. Now run the Java args. But this will give the old output. See, but we have added new line. So to effect the changes, we have to compile it again. The Java program. See, it is typo. See, it is small s. We have to give caps S. I2 insert mode. Save the file. Control L to clear screen. Again compile it. Now run Java args. See, we got the second line in the output. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 22 on Rocky Linux. Then we have seen how to create and compile sample Java program. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.